welcome back to my channel. Myself Aarti, and this is my channel Lifeomania. Here I talk about skincare, self-care, body care, and I talk about whatever I feel like to share with you guys. It could be my cooking vlogs, it could be my traveling vlog, it could be my personal vlog, because here on my channel I like to share my life with you. I like to celebrate my life with you. That's why this is called Lifeomania. And in today's video I'm going to review about one of the skincare product which I recently used. So let me show you the product. So this is the product from Glow Recipe, and the full name of the product is Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. Yes, this is a cleansing balm, and I'm all about cleansing oils and cleansing balms because I'm not using these kind of products to remove makeup, because I said so many times I do not like makeup. I do not use makeup. The only makeup I like to use is lipstick. So sometimes they are useful to remove my lipstick, but other than that I love to use cleansing oils and balms because these products give me a boost of hydration. There are some days when I don't feel like to apply moisturizer or anything, and if I use oils or cleansing balm, I feel like my skin feels like hydrated. If I need to apply something after hour or two, that's a different story, but for that particular reason I love to use these kind of products. Now this product I got from Sephora free. There is some kind of promotion going on, and I thought let me try this product. Now before I give my honest opinion about this product, let me show you the Sephora page where we can see what is so good about this particular product and what are the ingredients. So let's have a look. So here is the information about this cleansing balm. So it costs you $32 for a full size, and if we see the ingredients, here are the key ingredients, which are papaya enzymes, papaya seed oil, and blueberry extract. There are some more ingredients which you can see, and here is the list of the ingredients which you don't want in your cleansing balm. List is pretty long. In short, this cleansing balm free from harmful chemicals. Then I want to show you the rating. So it got 4.4 rating out of 5 stars. 88% people recommend this balm. So here are the reviews. These reviews are not good. You can say lowest rating, but if you gonna click on highest rating, you can see the good reviews. But at the end it's up to you how you're gonna like the product and how it's perform on your skin. This is something I wanted to show you. Welcome back, guys. So on a page we saw that this particular balm had so many good ingredients and it's free from nasty chemicals. So now let me give you my opinion. So first of all, let me show you the product, how it looks like. You can see the pretty pink color, and all the girls, like majority girls, love pink. Now first thing first, let me tell you about the fragrance and the smell, because when we open products, the first thing we observe the smell or fragrance. This product smells like fruits because it has papaya, so it has a fruity smell, but at the same time I can smell wax inside, which is not very overpowering. So it smells good. But if you are oversensitive or very sensitive towards fruity smells or sweet smells, or you can't handle wax smell, then this product is not for you. Now about the texture, because it's a balm, so it has a balmy texture. I can show you. This is how it looks like, and if you put it on a skin, it turns into oil. So this is the texture. So I do not have any problem with the texture and how it feels on my face. It emulsifies, so it's a good thing when you're gonna Chloe, it's not for you. It's not for eating. My dog thinks everything is for eating. No baby, it's not for eating. Anyways, I was talking about the texture. I do not have any problem with the texture, but I can see some reviews where people saying that texture is very like waxy, and it's very difficult to remove this from your face. So I want to tell you one thing, that I did not find any difficulty when I was washing my face. The minute I pour water on my face, it emulsifies very easily. There is no difficulty I faced or felt. So for me it was okay. But if there are some people who feel that it's very hard to remove this balm from your face, I can tell you the reason. Because most of the oil or balm which emulsify, they are using the chemical PEG, which you can say pad. This balm not using that harmful chemical. They are using some other kind of a ingredient. Because of that particular ingredient, maybe it's really like little tough for some people to remove from the face. So if you are one of them who doesn't like this kind of a feeling that it's not removing very easily, then this balm is not for you. Now let's talk about the hydration part. So as I said that I love the oils which give me a boost of hydration. So in my opinion, I like the smell, I like the texture. I mean, of course, when you are using oils or balm, you're gonna feel some kind of oiliness for a minute or so, or greasiness, because these kind of products contain certain oils. But once you wash it off or removed from your face, then it's all okay. But even after washing or removing, you still feel greasy or oily, then there's a problem with the product. So with this product, I did not feel any greasiness after I washed my face, but at the same time, I didn't feel any kind of extra hydration. I mean, this is not something which gave me like boost of extra hydration. I have better cleansing oil and I have a better cleansing balm than this. So I'm not saying this is a bad product, but in my opinion, this product is not over the top. It's a good cleansing balm. If you want to try cleansing balm and you are just seeing that everybody talking so good about this balm, of course you can go and buy, but I'm not going to buy this product. I mean, this one is free, but after using this, I'm not in a mood to pay $34 for a full size product. So for me, it's a average kind of a cleansing balm. Yes, there are some benefits of using this balm if you are using this for a long run. So for example, you can get mild scrubbing effect with this balm because it has papain in it, which is from papaya. So there's something very good. But if you are like me, very choosy, very picky, and you're using some product for some particular kind of a reason, like me, because I want hydration from cleansing oil and from cleansing balm, because I'm not using them to remove makeup. If you are like me, then maybe this product is not for you. So if I want to rate this product on Sephora, as you saw, it's like 4.4. I would give 6 out of 10. I mean, on Sephora it's a 4.4 out of 5, but I would like to give 6 or maybe like 7 out of 10 for me. I mean, we all are different and our skin is definitely different. So my experience is not that over the top experience by using this. So for me, it's an average product. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to give my quick review about this product because I used it and I was like, okay, let me share my experience with you. And now I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe and take care. Bye.